Hello everyone, you are watching my channel Maths Equation. Now in this video, we are going to discuss practice set number 1.1 of the linear equation in two variables. So let's start. This question again two simultaneous equations are given, but mind well both equations are not in the uh, general form of the linear equations in two variables. As we know that general form of that linear equation of the two variable is ax plus by is equal to c. Like this, we have to convert both equations in the general form of the linear equations in two variables. So let's start. So we will take this first example, first equation. Now in this first equation, mind well, coefficient of the x is 1 upon 3 and we want that equation in the type of general form of the linear equations. So for that purpose, we can multiply the whole equation by 3. That means 3 into 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. Now, if we simplify this, 3 ones are 3, again 3 ones are 3. So here it is again 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So what is the remaining things? 1 into x, that is x plus 3y as it is equal to 10 ones are 10. Now this is equation number 1. Now this equation is in the form of general form of the linear equation. Now similarly, we can write the second equation in the form of general equation of the linear equation. So that is again we have to multiply this whole equation by 4, as we don't want this 4 at the denominator. So that will be, directly we can write or like this way, 4 into 4x directly we can write 4 into 2x plus 4 into 1 upon 4 y is equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. So this 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 again here. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So which are the remaining things? 4 twos are 8x now. Okay. Plus this 1 into 1, that will be a 1, and 1 into y, that is again y is equal to 11 ones are 11. Now this is equation number 2. In this way we can easily convert the given equation in the general form of the linear equations in two variables. This is very important. Now we can use these two equations. Now for that purpose, as we discuss methods of solving simultaneous equation, you can use any method, either equating coefficient or elimination by substitution. Now in case of equating coefficient, we have to take any one variable and just find out which is the coefficient of the variable. So in this case, in case of a variable x, coefficient is 1, but here is 8. Okay, and in case of the y, coefficient is a y, and in case of equation number first, coefficient is 3. So we will make the coefficient of the variable y this time, that should be equal. You can take that x also, either x or y. So to make that y coefficient same, we have to multiply second equation by the coefficient of the y which is there in a first equation, and that is 3. Okay, So let's multiply that equation number second by 3. Multiplying equation second by 3. By 3. Okay. So let's multiply that equation number second by 3. So 8 3s are 24x plus, now 3 1s are 3, that means 3y is equal to 33. This is equation number third. Now mind well, look at the equation number first and third, in which y coefficient is equal and the sign of the both variable is same, plus here is again plus. That's why we are going to take the subtraction of these two equation. So that will be subtracting equation first and third. Mind well, we have to take those equation in which coefficient of the variable is equal. In the first and third, y coefficient is same. That's why we took that two equations. So like that, subtracting equation first and third. So which is the largest one? This equation third is larger than first. This constant will help you to decide which is the larger and which is the smaller. So let's write down this equation number third first of all here. So that will be 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. Now write down that equation number first below that, that is x plus 3y is equal to 10. Now these are the two equations. Subtraction of these two equations we have to take. Now as we are going to make the subtraction, that means sign of the second equation will change over here. So plus will become minus, this again plus will become minus, and this again will become minus. So 24x minus x, that will be 23x. Okay, and look at this. This is plus, this one is minus. So plus minus will get cancelled. That means is equal to, now look at this, 33 minus 10, that means 23. And we are going to find out the value of that x. So transfer this 23 to the RHS of the equation. So that will be x, therefore x is equal to 23 upon 23. So 23 ones are 23, 23 ones are 23. So x is equal to 1. Now this is the value of first variable. How simple is this to find out the value of first variable? And now where we know how to find out the value of the second variable. So place x is equal to 1 in the equation. Now which equation? You can use any one in equation first. Okay. So let's write down this equation first over here. So that will be x plus 3y is equal to 10. We know that value of x. So x plus, sorry, this is so let's put down the value of x. So x is equal to 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. So 3y is equal to 10 minus 1. So 3y is equal to 9. Okay. Now transfer this 3 to the RHS of the equation. So y is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. That means y is equal to 3. In this way, easily we can find values of x and y variables are there. So we have to write that answer in word here. Again, solution now solution of the equation, that is x and y variable is given. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. In this way, easily we can find the solutions of the given simultaneous equation. How simple is this? Any problem? So let's move toward the next question. This is seventh sub question from the question number 2, in which again two simultaneous equations are given, but something different in this two simultaneous equation. Now what is that difference is all about? So look at the coefficient of the variable x and y. Now in the equation number 1, coefficient of the variable x is 99 and same coefficient is there in a equation number 2, but that in this case variable is y. Now look at here 101, again variable x having that coefficient, that is 101. That means in this is another type of the simultaneous equation in which coefficient of the variable will be interchanged. Okay, so in such a type of the questions, while solving such a type of the simultaneous equation, first of all we have to add these two equations. That means addition of the equation, simultaneous equation, and we are going to take the subtraction of the simultaneous equation also. Okay, so let's take that addition of the both equation. So add equation first and second. Okay, we are going to add these two equations first of all. This is the first step. So first equation, simultaneous equation is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Okay, now plus second one is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. As the addition is there, that means need not to change the sign of the second equation. Now this 101 plus 99, that means 200x. Okay, plus again this will be a 200y is equal to 1000. Look at this. So which is a common? Just find out the common in between first term and second term. That is 200 is a common. So 200 is in bracket now. X plus y is equal to 1000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the value of this x plus y. So keep this as it is. X plus y is equal to. Now transfer this 200 to the RHS. So that will be 1000 upon 200. Okay. So that will be 200 ones are 200 and 200 fives are 1000. Or you can cancel that 0. Use any method and that answer will be 5. That means this is equation number 3rd. Mind well. X plus y is equal to 5. Look at this. This is equation number 3rd. Okay. By addition of the equation number 1st and 2nd, we got here the x plus y. That means sum of these two variables is 5. So let's subtract these two equations, that is equation number 1st and 2nd. So that will be, now subtracting equation 1st and 2nd. Okay, let's subtract these two equations. And we know how to subtract the two simultaneous equations. So which is the larger one? Now this one is the larger. So we will take that first of all. For our convenience, you can take any one. So 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. This is the first one. Second equation, which is the largest one. Now the smaller one, that is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Okay. And as the subtraction is there, that means sign of the second equation will be changed in this. Oh, so this will plus will become minus now. This plus will become minus. This will be also minus. So 101 minus 99. So that will be how much? 2x. Okay. Now sign of the larger term. So minus again 2y is equal to 501 minus 499. That means again 2. So find out the common between the first and second term. That is 2 is the common. X minus y is equal to 2. So transfer this y 2 to the RHS. So it will become x minus y is equal to 2 upon 2. So x minus y is equal to 1. 2 ones are 2, like that. So this is equation number second. Look at this. First is by adding these two equations, we got that x plus y is equal to 5. Now by subtracting equation first and second, we got here x minus y, and this is equation number 4. Okay. Now we can easily add these two. After this, after such a two equations, when we got here x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Again we have to add these two equations. So next point is add equation third and fourth. Okay, third and fourth. So what is equation number third? That is x plus y is equal to 5, and fourth equation is x minus y is equal to 1. As the addition is there, that means need not to change the sign again here. So this plus minus will get cancelled here. Plus minus y is there. Okay. So which are the remaining things? X plus x, that means addition is there. That means 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 2. So that answer is x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So look at this. This is equation number 5. Okay. We got the first value of the variable. That variable x is equal to 3. And we know that as you got the value of first variable, you can easily put the you can easily find out the value of second variable by placing that value in any equation. Number of equations are there. Take any equation. So place x is equal to 3 in equation third. Okay, in equation third. So which is the equation number third? X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. So value of that x is 3 plus y is equal to 5. That means y is equal to 5 minus 3. This plus will become minus. So y is equal to 2. In this way, we can easily find value of second variable also. Now x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 are the solution of given simultaneous equation, in which coefficient of the variable is interchanged. Look at this. 99, here is again 99. 101, but that is in case of second equation. 101 is the coefficient of the x. That means interchanging the variable coefficient of the variable. So first of all, in such a cases, we have to add this equation. Then you will get x plus y is equal to 5. By subtracting both equation, you will get x minus y. Again, add these two. Then you will get the first value of the variable, and we know we can put that value in any equation, then you will get the value of second variable. In this way, easily you can solve that question number, that is 7. Now mind well, we have to write that answer in word. So the last step is solution. Solution x minus x and y, and that value is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now this is the answer, solution of the given simultaneous equation. Okay, how simple is this? So let's move toward the next question, that is the last question from the practice set number 1.1. This is last sub question from the question number 2 of the practice set number 1.1. Now mind well, again in this given simultaneous equation, first and second, look at the coefficient of the variable, and again these coefficients are interchanged in between the variables. Now ये देखो, पहले इक्वेशन में x का जो कोएफिशिएंट है वही कोएफिशिएंट सेकंड इक्वेशन में y का है, एंड जो कोएफिशिएंट पहले इक्वेशन में y का है वही कोएफिशिएंट x का इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड में है. In such a type of the equations, simultaneous equations rather, we have to add these two equations first of all. हमको उन दोनों इक्वेशंस का पहले एडिशन करना है और उसके बाद में हम उसका सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द आंसर. सो पहले हम उनका एडिशन करेंगे. सो ऐड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. Add equation first and second. So let's write down both equations over here. So first equation is, that is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Done. And 57x again minus y, 49y is equal to 252. Now addition of the both equation. So let's start with this addition. Now this is 49 plus 57, that will be 106x. Okay. Now again minus minus, addition will be there, but that sign will be a minus. Again 57 plus 49, that is 106y is equal to. Now look at this. This is 2 plus 2, that will be a 4. Then 7 plus 5, that will be 12. Carry 1 over here. So that will be 424. इस तरह से हमको वो दोनों भी जो इक्वेशन है उनका एडिशन करना है. इवन दो वी आर एडिंग दिस टू इक्वेशन, इसके पहले जो एग्जांपल था वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जब उसका एडिशन किया था तो यहाँ हमें x प्लस वाई मिलने वाला था, लेकिन इन दिस इक्वेशन वी विल गेट द x माइनस वाई. दैट इक्वेशन वी विल गेट ओवर हियर. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द कॉमन इन बिटवीन दिस टू टर्म्स. सो कॉमन कौन है इसमें? 106. सो विच इज द रिमेनिंग थिंग्स? x माइनस वाई. is equal to 424. So transfer that 106 to the RHS. So x minus y is equal to 424 upon 106. Now you have to divide this 424 by 106. That answer will be x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. This is equation number 3rd. Okay. By addition we got here x minus y. पहले हमें x minus y मिला है इस बार, not x plus y. Okay. So now subtracting equation फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. अब हम उन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन फर्स्ट and second. Again we will write both equations. Now which is the greater? The second equation is greater than first. So we will write the first. जो बड़ा है equation वो पहले लिखना है यहाँ पे. So that will be 57x. You can take any one first of all, but choice is yours. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. This is the second equation. Now the first one, what is that? 49x minus again 57y is equal to, that is 172. So subtraction is there. That means यहाँ भी जो सेकंड इक्वेशन है उसके हर एक टर्म का साइन चेंज होगा. सो यहाँ पे ये प्लस है तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस है तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, और दिस इज माई प्लस, सो इट विल बिकम माइनस. इन दिस वे वी हैव टू चेंज द साइन. नाउ लुक एट हियर, 57x minus 49y. So what will be the answer? So that is 8x. Look at this, 8x. Now which is greater and which is smaller? This 57y is greater one, that means plus is here. Again 57 minus 49, that will be 8x, sorry 8y is equal to, so 2 minus 2, that will be a 0. Okay, so 15 minus 7, that will be again how much? 8, like this way, and 1 minus 1, that will be 0. That means answer will be 80. So find out the common. इसमें से common कौन है? 8. So which are the remaining things? X plus y is equal to 80. So x plus y is equal to 80 upon 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 tens are 80. So that answer is 10. So this is equation number 4. Okay. Now look at the equation number 3rd. X minus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 10. In this way, for sure, either you will get that value of x minus y or x plus y. Addition, first time you have to do that addition. हमको पहले addition करना है. इसमें आपको एक तो x माइनस वाई का वैल्यू मिलेगा, नहीं तो x प्लस वाई का वैल्यू मिलेगा, एज वी डिस्कस इन ए प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन, यू गॉट हियर द x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 10. सो फिर से हमको ये इक्वेशन नंबर 3 और इक्वेशन नंबर 4 का एडिशन करना है. तो हम लोग फिर से उसका एडिशन करेंगे यहाँ पे. सो अगेन add equation 3rd and 4th. 3rd and 4th. So which is equation number 3rd? X minus y is equal to 4. ये है इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd. उसके नीचे हम ये 4th इक्वेशन लिख देंगे, x plus y is equal to 10. So addition is there, that means need not to change that sign of the second equation. So this is plus minus will get cancelled again here. So 2x, x plus x, addition is there, that means x plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 2, that means x is equal to 7. Now this is equation number 5. Now in equation number 5 we got that value x is equal to 7. Now we can place this value in any equation. n number of equations are there. इसमें से कौन सा भी एक इक्वेशन चूज करो और उसमें ये x इज इक्वल टू 7 का जो वैल्यू है वो वहाँ पे डाल दो. सो वी विल टेक दैट इक्वेशन नंबर 4. यू कैन टेक एनी वन. प्लेस अगेन same word is there. Place x is equal to 7 in equation 4th. Okay. Now which is equation number 4th? X plus y is equal to 10. So we know the value of that x, that is 7. So that will be 7 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 7. So y is equal to 3. Okay. This is the value of variable y. In this way, easily we can find the value of x and y variable of the given simultaneous equation. But don't forget to write that answer in the last. So that answer is solution of variable x and y, and that is x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Now this is the final answer. How simple is this? Okay, so this much is there in practice set number 1.1. If you like this video, share it and subscribe my channel Maths Equation.